Welcome. This video is presented by Scopos. In this tutorial, we will be walking you through how to calibrate the tape feed on your Athena NC100 and NC200 EST. We recommend calibrating each Athena NC100 and NC200 target's tape feed once a year, during your annual maintenance. Doing so helps make sure the paper strip advances the expected and recommended amount after each shot. You may also have to run this process if you recently replaced your tape feed motor, or the advancement after each shot is obviously too much or too little. This video is intended for Athena for Clubs users and requires the Orion Scoring System software for calibration. The only tool that is needed is a measuring tape or ruler stick. In this video we will be demonstrating using metric measurements. While it is preferred to use metric measurements, using millimeters, not all users have metric tools available. To convert inches to millimeters, use the following conversion equation. Multiply the number of inches by 25.4. Millimeters equals inches times 25.4, where 1 inch equals 25.4 millimeters. First, open the Orion Scoring System software on your Range PC. In Orion, open the Tape Feed Settings dialog box. This is done by selecting the Athena drop-down menu, then selecting the Athena Unit Maintenance option. From the Athena Unit Maintenance panel, select, or tick, the target you want to adjust. Once selected, enable Target Maintenance Mode by clicking on the Maintenance Mode button. Once the target is selected, or ticked, and in Maintenance Mode, click the Maintenance drop-down and select the Tape Feed Calibration option. The Tape Feed Calibration dialog box will open. In the Tape Feed Settings dialog box, you will see the default settings for the tape feed. Millimeters per second. This is the speed of the tape feed motor, measured in millimeters of tape advance per second. By default this is 15 millimeters per second. Pause after advance. This shows the amount of time, in seconds, the scoring algorithm will pause after the tape feed advances. By default, this has a 3-second value. We'll cover this topic in a little more detail shortly. Before calibrating the tape feed, cut off any existing tape from the Athena target by carefully using the built-in rip cutter. The serrated blade is sharp. Exercise caution when tearing the tape. Click the Run Test button. The tape feed will pulse 10 times. Once the tape feed has stopped, tear off the tape that was fed through the target. Measure, using millimeters, or use the previously mentioned conversion table if measuring in inches, the amount of tape that was fed through. The expected value is 160 millimeters. Input the actual distance traveled into the dialog window and select Calculate. Repeat the test if the actual distance traveled is more than 165 millimeters or less than 155 millimeters. Once completed, enable scoring mode on the selected target. The Pause After Advance feature allows users to customize how long it takes to advance the tape feed after a shot is scored. When the tape feed runs, as it is a mechanical motor, it may cause vibrations on the target. Before the Athena target scores a shot again, it must pause after each tape feed revelation to allow the vibrations to settle. If the pause is too short, a false positive shot may be generated. If the pause is too long, it may cause the next real shot fired at the target to not be scored. We recommend leaving the default pause to 3 seconds for this reason. As mentioned at the start of the video, we recommend calibrating each Athena NC100 and NC200 target's tape feed once a year, during your annual maintenance. Doing so helps make sure the paper strip advances the expected and recommended amount after each shot. Thanks for watching this demonstration. If you need any further assistance, please reach out to our support team. We hope this information was valuable in calibrating your Athena target.